Hello everyone. Today we're going to do unboxing. So I got this box from eBay, and this is not a sponsored video. I bought this for £8 free delivery. So let's see what's in. This is a white lucky cat, and it measures 7 inches. So it is not that large, but it's good enough. And it's cute, it's beautiful, but this is made of plastic. This is not the porcelain one. And for me, it's worth it. It's so cute. And it is solar powered by solar, so you don't need to buy a battery, and it waves instant. So I'm pleased with it, and it's cute. So the purpose of this lucky cat in Feng Shui, according to what I read, is they are give you luck, especially if you have business. I don't have business, but I just like these things, and yeah, it brings you good luck. So let's see if I will have a good luck in this lucky cat, and I'll tell you, hopefully. So yeah, it waves like anything, like it's not noisy. Some lucky cats, they're noisy, because I've been having this before, and yeah, I sent it to Philippines, and yeah, I love this stuff. So we will have luck, hopefully. So if you want to have good luck, you can have a lucky cat, especially if you have a big business. So take note, I don't have any. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.